Hi guys, in this quick tutorial we'll see on how to install the ESP32 board add-on on the Arduino IDE. So now go to Files, Preferences and enter the following URL into this field. If you already have the ESP8266 board add-on, then you can separate the two URLs with a comma. After that click OK. Then open the Boards Manager, go to Tools, Boards Manager. Then in the search box type ESP32. Now click on this ESP32 by Espressif Systems. After a few seconds, the ESP32 add-on will be installed in your computer. Now you will be able to select your board named as ESP32. With this, you can upload your code to your ESP32 board using the Arduino IDE. In my case, it's the AI Thinker board. Now you can start building your own IoT projects. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to Vikram Tech and hit the bell icon to get the latest notifications. See you in the next video.